Alright, hi guitar folks. So today we are going to be looking at how do you actually tune the guitar using the tools that I have available to you on our website, and where you can go for maybe a little bit more information for tuning. Let's get started. So here is the website we want to go to. Links to music tools. This is under the home tab, links to music tools. And right here we have for guitar class, we have the online tuner. That's the one that we will be using to tune the guitar. Here we go. We are going to be tuning the lowest guitar string up to the highest. Okay, now notice that the guitar strings that you see here on this right here, it goes from lowest string to highest string. However, it is actually opposite of what you see here on the guitar. So what you see here on the guitar, the closest string to you is the lowest string, but it is actually the highest up, okay? You can tell by which ones are thicker and which ones are thinnest. So my thickest one is right up here at the top of the guitar, and my thinnest one is right here at the bottom of the guitar. Okay, thinnest one right there, thickest one right there. So my thickest one is actually this E string that they're showing us right here. Okay, and what we want to do is make sure that it is actually playing an E. To do that, you turn on the tuner. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to use the microphone? You say yes. I've already said yes to it. Okay, now we want to make sure that all of our notes match up with what it's going to be saying here. So this says sixth string, the sixth string, an E2. Okay, that's our lowest note, and we are going to start with the lowest note as well. So here I play it. Okay, and it is telling me that this one is a D2. Okay, that one is a D2. So I want to bring it up. So I turn it, and I should see it go to the right. Okay, yes, good. Now it's D sharp 2. That's good. Sharp is higher. Oh, good. Now it's in the E2 range. Now that I have it on the right letter name, I want it to go into the green area. Great, now it's in the green area. As much as I can get it into the very center of the green on that black line is exactly where we want it. Great. Okay, now let's take a look at our next string. Where is that one at? Oh, this one is A sharp 2. We want it to be A2. So A2 would be lower than A sharp 2. So here in my second string, great. Now I have it in the middle of that green bar area. Now this one, that one is low. C sharp 3. 3 is higher than 2, so that's good. It's in the right octave, but we want it to be D3. And C is lower than D. So we want it to go up. There is D3. Alright, next up we want it to be G3. Okay, we're still in the 3 octave. There is G. We want it to be G3. This one is G sharp 3, so we need to get it down. Sharp is higher, flat would be lower, so we want it to be G3. Okay, notice if I sing it all, the tuner is going to pick that up. And I'm a little flat. Okay, and that's where we want our note to be. Okay, next up, that one is saying A sharp 3. We don't want it to be A sharp 3, we want it to be right here. I see we want it to be B3. Okay, so A is before the alphabet in front of B, so it is lower than B. And so we want it to be up to a B. So A sharp. Ah, there's B3. Great. Now I have my B3 tune. Now let's do the last one. Oh no, that one is a D. D is lower than E, so we need to bring it up. Great, it's going to the right like we want. Now notice this one is E4. E4 is going to be a lot higher than E2, right? That one is the E2. That one is the E4. Okay, so the higher the number, the higher the note is. Okay, so that's how you tune the strings here on the guitar using this online tuner. Remember, be better than you were yesterday.